This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Mucobrex Mini Nasal Spray is a pediatric nasal drop for relieving nasal congestion. It is effective for children experiencing discomfort due to conditions like colds and allergies. Indications and uses. This nasal spray is primarily indicated for the temporary relief of nasal congestion caused by various conditions, including the common cold, sinusitis, and perennial allergic rhinitis. It is especially useful in children experiencing difficulty in breathing due to excessive nasal secretions and inflammation. How it works. The active ingredient, Xylometazoline, works by constricting the blood vessels in the nasal passages, which reduces swelling and allows for easier airflow. Directions for use. For effective use, gently instill 1 to 2 drops of the spray into each nostril, 1 to 2 times a day, or as prescribed by your physician. After application, clean the dropper or spray nozzle to prevent contamination. To prevent the spread of infection, it is recommended that this product be used by only one person. Do not exceed the recommended usage duration of 7 days without consulting with a healthcare provider. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include nasal dryness, irritation, burning sensation after application, and discomfort. If any of these persist or worsen, it is advisable to consult a healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised for individuals with heart disease, diabetes, or hyperthyroidism. The product should not be used if one is allergic to xylometazoline or other components of the formulation. It is also not recommended for children under 6 years of age without medical advice. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this nasal spray? It is used for relieving nasal congestion. 2. Can it be used daily? Use it only as prescribed and not for more than 7 days. 3. Is it safe? Yes, it is generally safe but may cause minor irritation. 4. Can children use it? It is indicated for children 12 years and older, with consultation required for those 6 and older. 5. How quickly does it work? Relief is typically felt within 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below.